Step 1 is complete. And now step 2, we need to start being able to put an X's and O's in the box. So we're going to first go all box, document, this time query selector all, and all means, so in our HTML, it's going to be all of these sections and spans. Yeah, section, span, section, span. These are the boxes where we're putting our X's and O's. So we can copy this, section, and then with a space, can get these span. Copy, span, section and spans. Key thing, the last variable needs the semicolon. So now delete this semicolon and put a comma here. So now here put a comma, since we've added more. And we're gonna add players. Document. This one will just be query selector, parentheses, quotations, and then this, we're getting these players. These are the X and the O's. So right here, copy that. And then we got a dot since it's a class, players. Save that, and for now, since it's the last one, put a semicolon there. All right, and save. Okay. So now, under this load, window on load, we're gonna add a loop. So just go for, and if you scroll down to the second one, and then change all these indexes to i's, standing for index, I, and I. Okay. And then we're gonna go, so let I equal 0, and then lesser than, instead of array, change this to, see how we got this all box variable right here. You can copy that, put that here. So the length of this all box, and that right here. And then we're gonna delete this. Don't need that. So inside our loop, we want that all box again. Index dot set attribute. Okay. Parenthesis, and let's go on click. And then again a parenthesis, and then click box. This is a function that we are going to create. Click box. And semicolon. Good. So this is going to, this adds an on-click function to all of the sections and spans within the section so that we can click each box. Okay. So next, is going to be under this one, select O button. I wanted to add players. Dot set attribute. class, comma, players, active, and player. Good. Semicolon and save. And now we're going to need to go ahead and let's go put a comma right here. And we're going to create the variables for the player icons. Player icons and sign. So this way the program will be able to keep track of whose player's turn it is, whether is it X's turn or circle's turn. So we're going to go let player X icon equal FAS, FA times. These FAS and FA times are pulled from Font Awesome. Remember, that's a capital O. Circle. And then we're going to go player sign. Whoops. By default, we're going to first just make it X, the player sign. And then I'm going to add this right now just so I don't forget it. But let run bot equal true. This is going to be a function that we're going to create later. But we need to start off as true. But I'll refer back to it when we create it. Okay, so now, save, nothing much still has changed, we're still here, and nothing's clicking in the box, right? So we need to be able to click it in the box, click an X or the O into the box. So the way to do that is we're going to create the click function. Clicked box function. We're going to go function. Remember, name the function based off of what it's doing. Whoops. Clicked box. And as the parameter, whoa, take off that space. As the parameter, we're going to go element. All right. All right, so now if here's the condition for if. Players good. So now we're going to assign it player sign. Let me wait on that. Let me wait on that really quick, really quick. All right, first we're going to go element. Oops. All right, so right here, this is going to add the circle icon. So player sign, no. I want to put this right here. Copy. Good. Player circle icon. Good. That's what I want. Next, put a semicolon there. Players dot class list. Awesome. There we go. Now this one's going to be active. Need quotations. And then again, semicolon. All right. So this will be allowing us to click, and in clicking we can make the zeros or the circles. And now we want to do else. So same thing, but for the X. So copy this just to the element. And then we will switch this to the X. And then player sign. Okay. And save. Down here, I do need to add playboard now. Dot style. Dot pointer. Events equal none, semicolon, Okay, so now, with that being done, we can now see, if you click player X, it's on X's turn. Let me refresh that. If we play player circle, or yeah, circle, it's on circle's turn. Boom, good. Boom, good. But we also should be able to click our symbol in these squares. So I must have made an error. So right here, see player, quotations, save, good, and then clicked box. Here's our loop where clicked box is called, and you see I got click box. So this should be clicked. So really you can just take this, the function, copy this here, and this should be the same. Paste. We're calling the function here clicked box. So now we can check it out. X, there. Boom. Let's check the O. Good. Awesome. Now we're good.